Did you hear? The online system is back and the department is saying go apply online. What? Oh my word. Njani? Mna nikwazi apply online. Where am I going to start with this online thing? Don't you worry, honeys. CNB Honey is here to guide you every step of the way. Now grab yourself a pen and paper, a cup of coffee, and let's get to work. CNB Community, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Once you open your browser, you will see the uFiling addresses. We're not going to click the first one because it's the old uFiling, and the last thing that you need is to click this uFiling, and on this one it's no longer in use. So what we need is a new uFiling. You go back to your browser and click the second one, UIF online logins. Once you click on that one, it has to land you to this page. Once you are on this page, pay attention because I'm going to show you step by step how to register on the new uFiling platform. Click those three dots there and then you will land onto this page. Once on this page, you will click register. It will then take you to that page. Now pay attention because we are about to get to work. You will put in your ID number there as per Home Affairs records. Your name and surname as per Home Affairs records, not from Lebogang to Lebza. You need to also put in your cell phone number for the department to be in contact with you. For this new uFiling, it is a mandatory that you need to have an email address. Look at those characters from capture, and then you are going to put them on that space there as is. You will then click register. Once you have done that, you will be taken to that page. Upon clicking register, you will land into this page where they're going to ask you questions, a series of questions which you have to respond accurately. If any of these questions that you are going to be asked here, one of them is incorrect, unfortunately you are going to be locked out. And once you do, you will have to call this number 0800 030 007. They will be in a position to assist you further. Once you have successfully answered all the vetting questions correctly, you will then land into this page. You will have an option of an SMS or an email. I prefer an email because it's quicker. They will then send you the OTP. As soon as they do, you will have to verify it by clicking there. Once it has been registered, honeys, you are then successfully registered to the new uFiling. Congratulations. On the next video, we are logging in because
re tla tswela pele ho araba dipotso tsa hao le diqhweshelano kapa ditletlebo tseo o nang le tsona ka UIF. Re tla tswela pele ho hlakola mafosisa ao o nang le ona ka UIF. Ka kopo tswela pele ho ingodisa ho marangrang a rona a YouTube. Eba setho ho leqephe la rona la Facebook le la TikTok. Re a leboha.